chili paste. Now, if you want to get a rice red color to your kebabs or chicken lollipop or gravy, then we use red chili paste or Kashmiri powder. Or so this red chili paste is made from Kashmiri chilies. So I'm going to prepare today two types of red chili paste. One is spicy and other one is less spice. That is, for this I'm using about 15 Kashmiri red chilies, and I'm going to remove the seeds from them and break it into pieces, and then soak it in about half cup of vinegar, and so remove all the seeds and soak it in vinegar and little hot water for about an hour, and then I will boil that mixture in adding little more water if required. But after it is boiled, then I will then grind that. So this is red chilies. Similarly, I will take off the rest of it, and then these seeds I will add it to this mixture. This is again 15 Kashmiri chilies. This is for the spicy part, and this will be a little more spicy because adding the seeds into that. And then I will soak that again with about half cup of vinegar and little hot water and keep it for an hour. So first I will then grind this and then grind that part of it. I have taken the seeds out, and this is the ones I will cut them into pieces, and these are the other one for the spicy one. These I'm going to just cut them into pieces later on and mix in the same way. Now this is about half cup of vinegar, and I'm going to put some hot water and let it soak in that. Now please use gloves because it's the chilies you're taking after all, and there are seeds and they're going to be very harsh on your hands. And don't rub your face or anywhere because it's going to burn. After cleaning or using any chilies by hand, you wash it with soap so that it goes, the sting goes. I'm going to put the seeds. I mean, it's not required, but once I put the seeds, it's going to be more spicy. This will be very spicy mixture. So because I don't want to throw the seeds, I'm going to put it in this and make it red chili paste, spicy red chili paste, and hot water, and leave it there. Though after an hour, I will then boil this mixture for about 5 minutes, each of the mixtures, and then once it cools down, then I will grind them, and that will be the paste. Now I'm going to boil this for about 5 minutes, this mixture, and then allow it to cool, and then I'll grind the chilies. I'm going to grind this chilies now. These are the non-spicy ones. Red chili paste. Now this is the one without seeds, taken out, and with the seeds. So this is spicy and this is non-spicy. So while grinding, you can use the water with what it has been boiled to grind it. So now if you're using it immediately, then you can use it, or without adding anything. But if you want to store it for a few days, then you put a little oil, 1.5 teaspoon oil, and mix it and keep it in the refrigerator. If you want to keep for a longer time, then you cook it in a pan and then store it in a container in the refrigerator. or you can even freeze it. So I'm going to mix it, and this is for tomorrow, so I'll keep it in the refrigerator. Same with this. This can be used for other spicy curries. Yeah, that's it. Red chili paste.